Earlier today, gold medal tipster Evan Blass revealed a render of the Moto E5 Plus. According to the latest rumors, the unit will sport a 5.8-inch LCD display with a resolution of 720 x 1440 HD+, or an aspect ratio of 18:9. A quad-core CPU is said to be under the hood along with 3 GB of RAM and 32/64 GB of native storage. While originally it appeared as though there was a dual camera setup on back, Blass says that the second cutout is not a camera. So that means that there is a single camera on back, and a dual camera selfie setup in front. Android 8.0 is expected to be pre-installed. The render shows a couple of interesting things. 1. The Moto name is gone from the line this year, replaced with full Motorola branding. This is something that we've been expecting. Furthermore, the fingerprint scanner has been moved to the back. It is embedded inside that button under the camera, embossed with the iconic Motorola Batwings logo. The hefty 5000 mAh battery found on the Moto E4 Plus could be backed to provide outstanding battery life. Take a peek at the render and let us know what you think by dropping your comments in the box below. Source at FLeaks.